Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are doing the part 2 of Caterpillar 925 diesel particle filter cleaning process. We have cut the DPF into pieces. Let me show you. On my previous video I quickly run and show you. This is the first part, which we have cleaned this beautifully all the way through. Is clean, very lovely. And now this is the second part we are washing. After leaving whole night soaking in a special cleaning agents, and today we are finishing. Once this is finished, we are going to weld them together, make it one whole unit, and then return to the customer like brand new DPF. We are www.supremedpfcleaning.com, located in Bromley, Kent. We have Art of DPF Cleaning, and we are the masters for DPF, EGR, AdBlue, black or white smoke issues, power loss issues. You can reach us on 07533 636 194, and our new location is in now Westerham, which is Unit J, Morehouse Park, Westerham, Tango November 16 to Echo Tango. Hoping to see you there. Bye.